tour time! This is Auckland's domestic airport and the car park buildings around it. This domestic airport is actually only 2 stories long, except the second story is only airside now. But there are also some lovely car park buildings as well. First we go to a 2-story parking building which has a 90s eco-disc with square delta fixtures.
Oh, so this is the con Delta, apparently. It looks pretty flat, but it's obviously in bad condition. Got a 1. No, it doesn't work. Pretty fast up for the amount of floors.
Do one, Mummy.
Oh,
Mum, do one.
around.
Oh, I think we're gonna win.
Yeah, really this lift was... Oh, that's okay, this lift was... This lift is celebrating its 20th anniversary. This lift is celebrating its 20th anniversary this year, Storm 999. And that's that appearance.
And now we go to the 4-story car park building, which is just opposite the 2-story parking building. But despite the fact the last car park building had 90s eco-disc, this car park building has 2 Schindler E-type lifts made by Schindler. Let's ride them!
Yeah, do we have more E-types? We were going to that tournament. Oh yeah, look. Exactly the same. Rounds. Oh my god. It looks actually okay, to be honest. Yeah, these are actually the old 51 motor. So yeah, these interesting lifts. That's it. Hey, now we'll do an upgrade on these E-types. These E-types are not the best lifts in the world. We've got a 3. Bit slow because of the distance between Queen and 1. Now 3. Apparently that's your view of the planes. We'll go down to 1. Because that way I get to do another look at the footbridge lift. Now 1. That's pretty neat. Yeah, really unique indeed. That's it.
To get to the car park from the domestic terminal, there's actually an overbridge which takes you there. And in that overbridge there is another Schindler E-type MRL and some Schindler escalators. Let's ride them!
Then we have this E-type of Schindler. Yeah, it's just a cool Schindler E-type. This stuff looks... Mum? Yes? Apparently this is how we get across. These are 14 persons. Yep. 1. And we'll come back to the ride down later. Let's take a ride on another one of these. Why isn't this stuff seen it? Also, why didn't doors open there? Would have made much more logical sense. Let's go to ground, which is... Yes, it's obviously a 5400. Okay, let's watch it go. That's it. Yeah, apparently these are just basic Schindler escalators with these aren't really yet anything special. Oh yeah, and over here we have Schindler E-type. Yeah, not really an interesting lift. Yeah, actually it's 5400. Still.
And now we go into the actual domestic terminal itself, and along to the first lift, which goes up to some offices, which is a Schindler 3300, which is locked.
Schindler 3300. What a really nice and reliable lift. Maybe one of my first two. Wait a second. Is this lift locked? Okay, if it goes up to 2, then it's not locked, because it didn't light up or anything. Because, yeah, there's a manager's office up there. Didn't move anywhere. Well, that's... yeah, the lift is now locked off, apparently. Oh well, this was a cheaper substitute. And I don't really care about it, so that was a fail, and that's it.
And now we go to the other end of the terminal, near the Jetstar check-in, and along to the lift, which goes up to gate 1661, which is a rare 1980s Vienna McGrath lift.
Okay, so apparently there's this Vienna McGrath lift here. This was my very first Vienna McGrath, apparently. One. The other has no indicator. Yeah, I've never been on a Vienna McGrath for a long time. Smidge wobbly. Oh yeah, by the way, those are EPCO fixtures, so grounds. Yeah, this is probably the last time I'm going to look at a Vienna McGrath lift in 2019. I mean, yeah, you do have the one in you still, yeah, the one in one here will still exist, except it's not for public, which is a shame. Should go.
Right. Right, so are you having to take the painkillers? Wow.
That's it. Okay, yeah, this is going right next to the lift. So yeah, just your basic Schindler escalator. Yeah, one of the Vienna McGrath will be replaced into a maybe a 3300 or 5500. I'm not really sure. Go.
And now we go to the airside parts of the Auckland Domestic Airport, which you can only access if you're catching a plane. And we go along to the lift up to the gates, which is another Schindler 3300. And nearby there are some Schindler escalators as well. Let's ride it! Oh, and on floor 2, apparently the lift shaft is glass, except the lift isn't actually glass. That is just weird.
So then we just have a glitch problem because the arrow is still up. And yeah, this lift is another 3300. Yeah, this one. Yeah. Another 3300. So it's actually also glass.
Sweet. Oh, we're going down the lift. Oh. Thanks, Fred. Take your photos. You insist.
That's it.
And nearby the Schindler 3500 is another lift, which is sadly locked off by a keypad. I think this might be like a service lift or something, and it might also be another VNM graft, which means that lift is original to the building, but sadly I wasn't able to ride it. So let's ride the Schindler escalators.
Schindler escalator. Yeah, this one goes up, goes down. And yeah, that's it. Oh yeah. Oh, this escalators and yeah, the domestic terminal. Can't film the elevator because of the schedule. And that is apparently it.